Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can execute Python on the web using a MacBook. So as you can see, I'm on a MacBook. This is Google Chrome opened. You can use Safari, Mozilla Firefox, whatever web browser is available to you. So if you don't want to install Python on your machine, for one reason or the other, I recommend using Google Colab. So you can just come here and search for Google Colab, run it, and you can see what I have here. The first search result there, you can just click on it. It will open Google Colab for you. So this is a software that is on the internet that Google created. You can use to run Python. So it is true that you are writing it on your laptop, but it is being executed at a mystery location in the web. So I set my the laptop to dark theme. That's why it's giving me dark theme here directly. On your end, it might be giving you the light theme, so you change yours manually. So if you want to open a new notebook, you can just come to this new notebook over here. And I want to point out that if you are not signed in, you might have to sign in. So you will see a sign in button somewhere here. You might have to sign in, but we don't want to sign in. So you just click on new notebook. So now that your new notebook is open, so you can just change the name of the notebook to whatever you want it to be over here. So let's say new, okay. Then you come here, you print to. So but you connect. Make sure you connect your notebook first. If you try to run the code for the first time, it will still have to connect. So basically, Google will have to allocate some disk space and RAM to this particular document. You can see. So when you run your code, it gets executed once and for all. So let me write a for loop. Let me say 30 print I. So if I should run this, you can see it is working just as needed. So this is an alternative way to run Python on your device, and this works for Windows as well. All you have to do is just go to a web browser. It works for Linux too. Go to a web browser, go to Google Colab, then you run your code from there. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.